Ho, ho, ho. Ryan, hurry up. Hurry up, Ryan, come on. I got something for you. I got something for you.
Yay! What is it? A new kitchen.
Where?
It's just like Gretchen.
Oh, yeah, right there. Yeah, I see the kitchen right there, right?
What's this? What's inside here? It's New Skylanders! Wow!
Open this one, open this one.
Let's check what's in.
Open it, open it.
Matthew, open the red one. Huh?
No, I think that's something else. That's a cover for your DS.
What? Nice. Oh, yeah, let me see
And
it.
the new stylus?
Let me see it.
Oh my god.
Let me see it, Ryan.
And Batman!
Ryan, open the red one.
Bad guys! It's Batman! Batman! Open it.
Open it.
Yeah, you can do it, but you don't try to do that.
I'm telling you. What's that, Matthew? What is that?
Gosh, tea or a tea party.
Matthew, you gonna make breakfast today in your kitchen?
What is that, Ryan?
Let me see, Ryan. What is that?
A
Let me see.
blender.
A blender
Ryan?
for my shakes. Bless you. Ryan, let me see it.
That was for Ryan, I think, Matthew. Check it out.
A new blanket!
What blanket is it? A Wally blanket?
What? That's Eva?
Aw.
Yes. Look.
What is it? Show me.
Little cover.
Another one?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, 2 covers for 1 DS. It's impossible.
Not impossible. What is this?
I don't know. Elfin cards.
Alfie card?
What is that, Matthew? Explain to me.
Elfin cards.
I don't know what is that.
It's for Alfie. Let me show you.
Okay, you gonna show me?
Yay! What
Let me see it, Ryan. Show it to me.
New 2 markers.
No, this actually are styluses for your DS. One for you? One for Ryan.
Hey.
It's stuck. Aw.
Okay, what's that?
The cover.
Food for your kitchen?
What? I'm hungry.
Watermelon.
Give me a little bit, tiny piece.
Eva.
That watermelon taste.
It's for Alfie
good.
too?
Eva.
It looks like Eva, look.
Oh. Let me see it again.
Eva.
Eva is Wally.
Alfie.
Cupcake.
What? Ice cream cones? Yummy.
Can I get a little bit? Let me taste it, Matthew.
Sure.
That's so yummy.
Yummy.
There's more?
Oh my gosh, the fresh
No.
one ain't.
Wow. This video is gonna be long.
This is gonna take forever.
Is that breakfast already?
It's gonna take forever.
No, if you guys hurry up. Ryan, let's cook.
Wally, bubbles in the morning.
What?
Oh my gosh, Ryan.
Lolly.
Let me see it. Wow. Is that for me, Ryan?
For Yang.
Ryan. Is that Ryan? Look at me. Is that Wally for me?
Okay.
For cooking?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna have great chefs here. This is gonna be amazing.
Okay, I'm gonna take a nap and I'll be right
I
back.
don't have to cook anymore. More food.
Oh,
This
my
is gonna be
goodness.
great. A feast we're having. What else could it be?
Let me see it, Ryan.
You're gonna be cooking? You have your own stuff?
Open it.
Ryan, get another one. Another present. The big one, Ryan.
Open this
Big
one.
one. I love this one.
Okay.
What
What
about
is
this
it?
one?
Ah.
Let's just take.
Matthew, if you tell me what's inside, I give you a coin.
He'll tell you as soon as he opens it.
It's Skylander backpack.
What? To collect all your Skylanders in it? Oh my gosh, this is awesome. What else? What else? Can't wait.
These ones, Matthew. Always go for the big one.
More
Let
food.
me see your face.
More food. Oh my gosh, carrots, my
Look.
favorite. A fishy yummy food. Look, he says.
Let me see it.
Yummy. Show Daddy.
Look at this big one.
Yeah, that's mine.
Right.
That's actually mine.
Okay.
More.
Ahorita un regalo ahí.
Pizza.
Look it. You can mix stuff like mama.
I can't wait what it is. A Wally computer.
Oh my gosh, Florian, look at that.
Wow, look.
What? Oh my gosh, look. It's Wally.
Whoa. Look, Daddy. Hey, Mama, I have a
It's
great
for me?
idea. When you press this red button and put it
Let me
down,
see your idea, Matthew.
You open it and it does that.
when
Wow.
you press this red button and
Ryan,
put
do
it
you have any
down,
idea?
And that's how you get it to come.
Okay.
Awesome.
Okay.
How about opening this one?
Matthew, can you get to your email?
A phone?
Yes.
For real?
Yes.
Who's calling you, Ryan?
Another one.
A coffee machine. Yes, now you can make me coffee in the morning. Yay.
Look.
Thank you, Reyes. Look at that. It works.
Ryan, show me your muscles.
Coffee. Oh my goodness, this is going to be great. What else do we have here?
I don't know. I have to
don't
check.
know.
A cupcake.
A cupcake?
Yes.
Where?
Right there.
Can you see it?
Don't tell me it's more food.
Matthew, you got the words from my mouth.
Is that a sandwich food?
More food, Matthew? No more food, right, Matthew?
Yummy food.
Look.
Another one, and this is about food.
Oh my goodness.
Yay! Ryan, open that one.
Uh,
I want to actually open this one.
Okay.
Look.
Show me.
let me see. Is that for me?
Open it.
Look for me.
For me.
Look
Look at that
for me.
big Matthew.
No one. Cha-cha.
A stylus for your DS with Shop Shop in it.
This is
Where's
actually
Chop Chop?
cha-cha.
Shop Shop is a Skylander.
Open it.
You want to open it?
It's actually a stylus with cha-cha. Actually, stylus.
It says stylus with Shop Shop. Can I
Look.
see?
Look.
Yeah, exactly.
Look at another appliance.
Mama, look at what it is.
Oh my cool.
It is.
Look at what it is, Ryan.
Wow. Wow. Batman and his motorcycle in the blue. Batman in the black. Batman.
Let me see it, Matthew.
That's actually Catwoman. Yay.
I want to open
I'm
it.
gonna open one. I'm so sorry. Birthday cake, chocolate cake.
More food?
Chocolate cake.
Ryan, more food?
Look.
And you
What?
can blow the candles. Happy birthday.
Blow the candles.
Blow the candle.
What?
Mama.
As this works.
Mama.
Bread is ready. What else? What else, Matthew? Show me that one. I want to see it. Oh my
Show
goodness.
it to the camera,
Cool
Matthew.
motorcycles, people.
What?
I want it.
Okay, what else? Look, I see more boxes.
I think those are for me.
For me.
I can't wait. I can't wait.
Look. More Skylanders that Dino has.
Oh my gosh, the thing that Tito has.
Let me see it.
Open it.
Oh my
They have this fire one and this one and this one.
Awesome. Ryan, go get one more. Go get one more.
Go get it, Ryan. One more. Get the red one.
Look.
What is that, Ryan?
Choo-choo train.
A choo-choo train. Wow,
It
Ryan.
has
How do
an
you
M
know?
For Matthew. Can I have another one, Matthew? All right. This was for you. I don't know what this is.
No.
That's that one.
Let me open.
Sure, you can open it.
Look, bicycle.
A motorcycle? With who in it?
Robin.
Is that what you asked for, Mama Matthew?
Look, Daddy.
Let me see it. That for me, Ryan?
What else?
Mama,
What?
can you open this
Yes.
for me?
Can you open that for me while I open this?
Yeah.
Open it.
I'm going to. 1 second. Oh my gosh.
This is hard too.
That's hard too.
Ryan, you better?
No.
More
Open it for
I will. Let me see that next.
food?
Is that a real pizza?
What?
Are you a delivery guy?
Oh my goodness. More food.